ButtBot rides again, now with googly eyes, and I've also made some changes. I've ditched the stream. I found that it was timing out, even though it wasn't really doing anything else. There was occasions when the ButtBot would not receive any commands for half a second, which is what I set the timeout at, and that was just very jerky. So I've made this physical controller using a Arduino Tech hat. I'm not particularly happy with it. The controller does self-center, which is nice, but it has a huge dead spot in the middle. Readings go from 119 to 129, and it depends which side you center it from as to which value you get out of it afterwards. And the dead spot is not even between the two sides, so even when you're trying to do really delicate stuff, it sucks quite a lot. But it does work, and as you can see, I've hooked up the eyes to the steering control, so it should look whichever way it's going. And got a little bit of an area out here. I've decided to go onto gravel rather than the tar seal, just to make it a bit easier on it, and we'll see how it goes. So I noticed he didn't seem to be moving quite properly, and it looks like I've had a breakage. So when I give it the power, the gear's spinning but the wheel is not. So something's come adrift there. I guess I'm reprinting that gear, which is a bit disappointing, but there we go. Life in the world of robotics. I took off the offending wheel, and yeah, this is spinning pretty freely and has come loose completely. So here's the bolts that are holding the plate in place. I kind of expected this to happen at some point. I think what I'll probably do is replace these bolts with much longer ones that go all the way through, and I might redesign this so it's a bit, I don't know, but yeah, definitely I need to put some reinforcement in there, because obviously the shear forces are just a little bit too much. And seeing as these are actually off centre, reprinting them's not that big a deal anyway. So put it in the new printer and see if we can get a better quality one.